Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Mishti. As 2025 is here, and if you want to become your bestest version in 2025, then you need to plan ahead. As some of you wanted to know how I plan, so in today's video, I will tell you how I am planning to completely transform my life in 2025. From personal growth to achieving my goals, I will tell you everything step by step. So let's chat about turning dreams into reality and how we can become our bestest self in 2025. To me, 2025 feels like an year of opportunities, a chance to reset and focus on what truly matters. Over the past years, I learned so much about myself, and now I want to take those lessons and create a best version of myself. This isn't just about setting goals or sticking to them, it's about building habits, staying consistent, and actually see the results. And most importantly, enjoying the journey without waiting for the destination to arrive. Have you ever thought that the journey of achieving your dreams is so much fun? Like every day when you get to wake up and do the things you love that will bring you closer to your dream. That is so much fun. Like I love getting up, drinking my water, taking my supplements or working out and find ideas for my videos, scripting them, editing. I am loving the journey so much. So it's important to not just write goals but to build habits according to them so that you enjoy everything you do. Now let's talk about some of my big goals of 2025. I have divided my goals in 4 categories. Number 1 is social media group. I want to grow my audience as much as possible. And I want to post engaging content about skincare, makeup, self-development and lifestyle. Category number 2, fitness and health. This year I want to focus on my physique and my posture. Okay, we all struggle with that. I know. Nobody likes this. You know this. Nobody likes this. So I need to focus on my posture because it's very bad. It's very bad. And with that, I want to maintain a healthy and glowing look. Moving on to category number 3, healthy eating. I know this is a tough one and especially for me. I hate eating healthy. But we have to change our mindset. So now I love eating healthy. Okay, sometimes chalta hai. Kabhi you know, you can have your cheat food. Like for me, it's pizza. You can have that once in a while, but roz mein, no, you can't. So this year I want to focus on my balanced diet. And living in hostel makes it much more harder. So I'm trying to stick to a skin-friendly healthy meal that will nourish my skin and will help me maintain my healthy glowing look. And it will also help me clearing my skin. And let me know if you are interested in knowing my healthy habits and diets and workout plans. Moving on to category number 4, academic excellence. So as you know, I am in college and my second semester will start in like 2 or 3 days. And the first semester didn't go well, I'll not lie. वो बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं गया जैसे मैंने सोचा था. Okay, मैंने थोड़ा lightly ले लिया college university life को, but it was difficult, very much difficult. It was my first time giving university exams and I don't want to talk about it. So this semester, this year, we will focus on our academic excellence, studying smart and getting that straight A's. And I want to balance my studies with my social media and everything. So firstly, you need to set up goals that you want to work on 2025. So set clear goals and divide them into categories. Now let's move on to planning. I believe that planning is the key to success. And not over planning. No, not over planning. You need to plan in detail, but don't over plan. ऐसा नहीं कि आप plan करते ही रह जाओ और कुछ करो ही ना. So here are few things I do to stay organized. Number 1, monthly goals. I set new goals for each and every month. I break my bigger task into smaller goals so that it becomes more achievable. Like for example, my goal is to gain subscribers and audience. So in my monthly goals, I will write that I need to post 4 to 5 YouTube videos this month. This helped me break down my bigger task into smaller goals. I use Notion and my physical planners to plan my entire life. मैं अपने फेवरेट प्लानर्स का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में या कमेंट्स में दे दूंगी, so make sure to check that. Next, I also set weekly goals. Okay, I know I told you should not over plan, but this is not over planning. Okay, this is just dividing your task into smaller goals. So basically in this you divide your monthly goal into even smaller tasks. Like for example, my goal was to upload 4 to 5 videos. So in my weekly plan, I will divide one video that on this day I have to do the editing, on this day I have to shoot, on this day I need to research for the content, and on this day I need to prepare the script. So by doing this, you are making sure that you are taking steps every day that will bring you closer to your main goal. Next is a vision board, one of my favorite. I love to make vision boards. Every year मैं अपने Pinterest पे एक vision board बनाती हूँ according to my New Year goals and resolution. And this year I went a little too far. I made an actual physical vision board. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? This thing keeps me inspired every single day. It is filled with images that relate to my goals and resolutions. It also has small quotes that align with my goals and resolutions. Like one of my goals is to be consistent in my workouts. So here are the images of working out and eating healthy. This keeps me inspired. I look at it every single day. So this is your sign to make your vision board either on Pinterest or you can make a physical one so that you can be motivated and inspired throughout your journey. Next, daily habits. You should be excited to get out of your bed and do things that bring you closer to your goal. So create habits that you can follow every day, like journaling, meditating, working out, skincare, etc. You can even use habit trackers to track your habits. I started using habit trackers like 1 or 2 years ago and I haven't stopped since then. Like वो चीज एक अलग ही मोटिवेशन देती है जब एंड ऑफ द मंथ पे आप देखते हो कि ये हैबिट आपने ऑलमोस्ट रोज करी है. Like it is so inspiring and motivating. So you can either make your habit tracker or you can buy planners which have inbuilt habit tracker. This will help you stay consistent on your journey. Now let's talk about some challenges. Transformation isn't easy and I know there will be challenges in your and my journey. Some days we will feel unmotivated or things might not go as we have planned, but it's okay. So that's why this year we will be focusing on discipline rather than motivation. Discipline is what that will help you move forward even though when the times are tough. And it's totally okay if you want to take a break. You don't have to work out 7 times a week. You don't have to eat healthy all 365 days of the year. It's okay to have rest days. And it's okay to take breaks. Now let me give you some tips that you can use to plan your year. I know एक हफ्ता चला गया है 2025 का, but you still have time. You can plan your year and make it the best year of your life. So if you are planning your year, these are the things I recommend. Number 1, reflect on the past year. Reflect on what worked and what didn't work in the past year. This will help you recognize your mistakes and then you are less likely to make that mistake again. Identify the habits and routines that worked for you so that you can incorporate them in 2025. And also identify what habits kept you stuck and didn't let you achieve your goals, so that you can make new routines for yourself that work for you. Tip number 2, set smart goals. As 2025 is started, और अगर अब तक आपने अपने goals नहीं बनाए हैं, so no, I'm not judging you. You still have time. Make your 2025 goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals. Don't just go with the flow. Set your intention for this year and make it the best year of your life. Because together we will become the bestest version of ourselves in 2025. Tip number 3, build systems that work for you. Use planners, journals, Notion, vision board, Pinterest vision board, physical vision board. Use whatever that works for you. Don't try to copy कि उसने तो ऐसा विजन बोर्ड बनाया है, उसने तो ये वाला ऐप यूज किया है, सो मैं भी यही करूंगा या करूंगी. नो, देखो आपको क्या सूट करता है और किससे आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होती है. यूज दैट and incorporate that in your routine and make your own routine, because no one knows you better than yourself. So build systems that work for you. Tip number 4, celebrate small wins. इस चीज की बात मैंने शायद अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में भी करी थी, so if you haven't watched it, I will link it down in the description. But it is important to celebrate small wins, no matter how small your win is. Always remember to celebrate it because you are your own cheerleader. This will keep you inspired and motivated to keep working towards your dream. So keep hyping yourself up and keep yourself motivated by celebrating your small wins. 2025 is going to be the year we grow, learn and achieve amazing things. Remember, every small step matters. Just focus on becoming 1% better from yesterday. And just compare yourself with your past self, not with others. Let me know in the comments what are your goals for this year. I would love to cheer you on. Let's make it a year to remember. And if you are here, comment a yellow heart so I'll know that you are a true one. You deserve a reward for watching this video till the end. Let me show you some of my planners and journals I used over the past few years. They are quite heavy. This was the first planner I used. It is a very beginner friendly planner. You can use it अगर आप अभी आपको प्लानिंग के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता है and you just want to start it, so you can use it. So इसमें ऐसे काइंड ऑफ पेजेस होते हैं. आप इधर अपनी टू डू लिस्ट लिख सकते हो और इधर अपना डे ट्रैक कर सकते हो, आपने उस टाइम क्या क्या किया. इस प्लानर की सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे ये लगती है कि इसमें नीचे ना एक ऐसे प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक काइंड ऑफ दिया हुआ है और ये हर पेज पे है. हर पेज पे आपको एक प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक मिलेगा जिससे यू कैन इंक्रीज योर प्रोडक्टिविटी. एंड इसमें आपको हर मंथ के बाद ऐसे एंड मंथ रिव्यू मिलेगा जिसमें आप अपने मंथ पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हो कि वो मंथ आपका कैसा गया. एंड देन यू कैन सेट द इंटेंशन फॉर द नेक्स्ट मंथ. एंड इस प्लानर के एंड में ऐसे हैबिट ट्रैकर है जिसमें आप अपनी हैबिट्स इधर लिख सकते हो और इधर आप उसे ट्रैक कर सकते हो. ये प्लानर मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने इसी के ही 3 वेरिएंट यूज किए गाइस. मतलब ये एक जैसे ही प्लानर है तीनों, बस इनके कवर अलग अलग है. तो एक प्लानर मैंने ये भी यूज किया था एंड ये भी काफी अच्छा है. इसमें आप अपनी इधर अपनी टॉप प्रायोरिटीज, ईमेल्स, टू डू लिस्ट एंड वो सब लिख सकते हो. अपना वाटर इनटेक ट्रैक कर सकते हो और नोट्स. ये पर इसमें बहुत ज्यादा लिखने का है गाइस, सो मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज्यादा लिखना पड़ता है गाइस, बहुत ज्यादा. तो मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. बट यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई इफ यू लाइक टू प्लान इन डिटेल. दिस इज माई फेवरेट ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल. This is not just a gratitude journal. Like it have a lot of detail. बोलते you have this vision board and this visualization list जिसमें आप अपनी हैबिट्स और गोल्स के बारे में लिख सकते हो. और मैंने देखो कितना लिखा हुआ है. Like you can plan everything in detail. नेक्स्ट पेज पे भी हैव दिस ग्रेटफुल जार कि आप किस किस चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो आप इसमें लिख सकते हो. और मैं लिखते लिखते गाइस थक गई थी तो मैंने पूरा नहीं करा कभी भी. और इसमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट जा रहा है, ये मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगा कि अगर कोई भी आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है और आपको वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट अच्छा लगता है सो यू कैन राइट इट हियर. एंड गाइस मैं लिखना भूल जाती हूँ, सो इसलिए मैंने इसमें थोड़े बहुत ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स लिखे हैं. और मैंने इसमें लिखा है पीपल आर सो नाइस, आई लिटरली फॉरगेट हाउ मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आई रिसीव. यू गाइस आर सो क्यूट. नेक्स्ट पेज पे वी हैव दिस लेटर जिसमें आप खुद को लेटर लिख सकते हो. और मैंने खुद को लेटर लिखा था एंड आई डोंट नो कब लिखा था, बहुत पुराना हो गया है, आई थिंक पिछले साल का है. देन इस पे आपको हर पेज पे ऐसे मिलेगा आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर और ये सब करने के लिए आपको मॉर्निंग में फिल करना है और ये नाइट में. और इसकी फेवरेट चीज मेरी है ये मंथली रिफ्लेक्शन. आप इस एक पूरे पेज में अपने पूरे मंथ पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हो, अपकमिंग मंथ के लिए इंटेंशंस भी सेट कर सकते हो. एंड दिस सेल्फ केयर चैलेंज जिसपे आपको हर दिन खुद के लिए एक अच्छा सा सेल्फ केयर चीज करनी है, एंड वो इसमें लिखना है। एंड ये मैंने शुरू में करी बट बाद में मैं भूल गई। ओके एंड इसके बाद एक ऐसा हैबिट ट्रैकर भी है इसमें। हर मंथ के एंड पे आपको ऐसे एक हैबिट ट्रैकर मिलेगा जिसमें आप अपनी हैबिट्स को ट्रैक कर सकते हो। सो दिस इज अ प्लानर एंड अ जर्नल ऑल इन वन, एंड दिस इज द प्लानर आई एम करंटली यूजिंग। आई टोटली लव दिस प्लानर। लाइक ये इतने अच्छे से और इतने अट्रैक्टिव वे में डिजाइन किया गया है ना कि आपका हर पेज लिखने का मन करेगा गाइस। इतना सुंदर है ना ये। शुरू में इसको भी खोलते हैं, शुरू में आपका पास्ट ईयर का रिफ्लेक्शन है, देन 2025 गोल्स एंड प्लान्स एंड मोर फन एक्टिविटीज, एंड गाइस इवन इसमें एक विजन बोर्ड भी है जिसमें आप अपनी फोटोज पेस्ट कर सकते हो, एंड अपना विजन बोर्ड इसमें आप खुद बना सकते हो। एंड देन इसमें भी हर मंथ पे आपके लिए एक तो ऐसे कैलेंडर होगा, और इस मंथ के गोल्स एंड हैबिट ट्रैकर इसमें है। देखो इसमें भी इन बिल्ट हैबिट ट्रैकर है, एंड देन इसमें एक बजट ट्रैकर भी है। देन इसमें आप अपने वीक्स को भी प्लान कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन से वीक में क्या क्या करना है, एंड देन इसमें डेली प्लानर तो है ही। दिस इज माई फेवरेट प्लानर राइट नाउ। आई लव दिस प्लानर। This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and make sure to comment a yellow heart if you watched till the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep dreaming big. Bye bye.